Hi, my name is Rachel Messick. For today's presentation, I will be using examples of my current boss, Danielle Vitale. She is our Director of Revenue, and I report directly to her. So she was the one that was responsible for hiring me and giving me tasks to do every day. She has many good characteristics that we've covered in this class. And one of them is going to be understanding people at work. She is good at determining organizational fit and job fit. Clearly, she was able to hire me, and I fit into the organization very well, and they matched my values. And the job was a good fit for me because I wanted to continue learning, and I had some skills to begin with. She personally is a good organizational fit as well. She gets along with everybody in the office and doesn't really have any issues with anybody, even when our front desk staff makes mistakes and does different rates or things that aren't available. It is frustrating, but she doesn't let that frustration show with her interactions with other people. So she's able to handle the frustration very well and continue being positive. Another one that she is good at is motivation. She's good at motivating me and our other coworker that's in our department. She gives us feedback all the time. We have weekly meetings to kind of go over everything that's gone over in the past week and any issues we're currently having. She's allowed me to broaden my horizons, giving me more tasks during each week to kind of complete, giving me more training within my position so that I can kind of further my career. She lets us use our own judgment when dealing with guests and things like that. So just as long as we're not refunding like insane amounts of money, she's okay with us just kind of handling situations. So that kind of motivates us to continue on and be good at what we do. Our team is pretty small, so managing our team is very easy for her. So it's me, the revenue analyst, our reservation coordinator, Patty, and of course our director of revenue, Danielle, who's our boss. So she kind of has it really easy managing the team because there aren't very many of us. It does make it easier to manage the smaller amount of people because there's not as much to deal with. We really don't have any team members that have any issues or anything like that, so that's always beneficial. She's a good leader who has a lot of good leaders behind her as well. So everybody's kind of supportive within the executive management team and things like that. So it makes her job pretty easy. She does give us kind of laissez-faire decision making when deciding on how to complete tasks and when we're going to do it and things like that. And we kind of make decisions together on if we want to start creating a new task or something like that for the three of us to be doing. So we kind of bounce ideas off of each other on how to do that. She fits into our organizational culture well. Our floor plan for our office is super open, so I'm always able to just be like, hey Danielle, like I have a question for you, and she's able to answer. Our sales managers are also in the office, so she gets approached by them a lot, and we kind of work all together just to make everything work smoothly. In the future, I can learn from her because she's such a good boss, such a good leader, and is super open. Managing teams in the future, my goal is to get to her position of Director of Revenue, whether it be in our hotel or a different one. So most hospitality revenue teams are going to be smaller, so they should be pretty easy to manage. But from this class, I can kind of take the concepts on like how to manage difficult people and how to get somebody who's a good organizational fit and how to prevent conflicts and how to handle those when they do arise by like sitting people down. I can also work to be a good leader, which is kind of easy to do because I've had great examples of leaders in the past and I kind of want to emulate that. Most important takeaway from the class is understanding people at work and how that can help with hiring people and why things are happening. That'd be one of the main things I would want to go over. Other than that, I've learned a lot from this class, and I feel like I would be a better leader. I'm just taking some of the concepts away, and I think it was very beneficial.